And here's my daughter's kitchen. The fridge is fully stocked and dishes are in the sink dirty. It looks just like my house. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel and this is your first time here, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope that you hit that subscribe button down below if you like to see videos like this. So today I wanted to share with you guys a really quick decluttering video I did of my daughter's toy room, or like the toy portion of her room. I recently, or maybe not recently, maybe about a year ago, took out all the toys from her room and put them on another side of the house, which I really enjoyed doing, but kind of where we're at right now, I decided to bring them back into her room. And so because it kind of started getting cluttering over there in that area, so we brought them back over here, and this is kind of what it looks like here in the background here. So I will show you guys a before and after so you guys can see the difference. But I took a good amount of toys out and I am pretty proud of it. I'm pretty well pleased with it. So let me go ahead and show you guys this video. So this is the before, and it would be totally chaotic, but because I have all our toys in bins, it's not too crazy. And so I pulled all the bins from the other room and I brought them over here because I'm going to start decluttering them and then putting them where they go. So first I'm just going to clean the unit with this Mrs. Meyer spray, since it got a little bit dusty where I had it, and when I transported it over here I noticed how dirty it was. And then I'm just putting her kitchen set up on top. And then next I'm just going to dump out all the toy bins and then just start decluttering them one bin at a time. So this is what took the longest time by far, and I just took out all the toys that were broken, anything that I couldn't find like the other piece to that wasn't of value to my girls, so I just tossed those. And I had 3 piles or 2 piles going. I had a giveaway pile and then a trash bin there as well. And you'll notice in this entire video that the cat is just kind of in and out. I swear, she's just like my daughter. When the camera comes on, she wants to be on the camera. So you'll see her in this whole video, just kind of going in and out of the shelves. And in this bin is full of Play-Doh stuff. So I'm just kind of going to toss out any old Play-Doh, mostly is what I tossed out of this one. So as you can see, I have bins for every kind of toy there are, but it kind of helps me too, because it helps me to limit how many bins she actually has on her toy shelf. And if anything, I can always rotate these bins in and out. If you guys ever watch JDA is the name of her channel, she is really good about this. Is where I got the idea from, but I love it that she's able to keep her bins in a totally different area. And then as the girls, she allows them so many bins per day to play with, and it kind of helps keep like the mess down. And it's excellent storage, but I just don't have the space for it to keep it outside of her room like I would like to. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. This is trash, and I probably had a little bit more that I had to dump already because it was overflowing, but yeah, this is pretty much filled to the brim, and it's mostly like stuff like they don't ever play with these LOL capsules. I kept a couple, but that's it. They don't need all of the rest. They're just junk. And then this is all of the stuff that we're going to give away. So that's the giveaway pile, the throwaway pile. So that's pretty good. Okay, and so this is pretty much what we ended up with. And I think it looks so much better. I feel better about it because I know that I got rid of so much junk that they don't even play with. They don't play with a lot of those things, so, or even a lot of these things. It's like only when they feel like it, so it's just sitting there. So anyways, I put her little Our Generation kitchen set up here because I didn't have anywhere else to put it. I don't have like a shelving, and I don't want to get another shelf unit. I feel like this will work great. This is their little unicorn night light, which probably needs to be turned off by now. But I got that one from Target in case you guys are wondering. So I need to still put labels on these, but for the most part, these are Play-Doh. Anything pertaining to Play-Doh goes in here. In here, oh, is the Barbies. So anything Barbie related goes in there. I need to get another lid for this. I don't know where it is, but this is kind of like a miscellaneous bin. It has like her Rubik's Cubes, her little squishies, this little Hatchimal, and then in here are another couple of miscellaneous items, but these are just big items. There's only 3 things in here, so like that. And then we've got puzzles. All of these right here are like puzzles or Legos. She loves, Alea, my little one, loves playing with those. This one is like a picnic bin. It's got like the cake and a little teapot set, so that's like if they want to like play picnic. In here is anything Shopkin related, like the actual building equipment. So they have like their van and everything like regarding, so they can play like town with it. So I got that. And then up here is anything actual Shopkins or LOL. So like the little dolls and the little characters are all in here. And then in here is just play food. So anything play food related is there. And then up here I do have her little Doc Mix Stuffins kit with everything in it because I don't have anywhere else to put it, which I will actually probably throw it in there. And so in here is her Our Generation dolls and anything related to them, like their clothes, their roller skates, things like that. So I'm just going to actually slide that in there as well, so it kind of has like a home. So, but that is what their bedroom is looking like at the moment. So I think it came out really good. I'm pretty pleased with it. Like I said, I feel like we got rid of so much stuff, so I am very pleased with it. But that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.